Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rina Bella Putri from Class Management Informatika 2I. I'm here to explain the basic concept of accounting from the introduction to accounting subject.
The basic concepts of accounting include explanations about definition of accounting, utility of accounting information, accounting process, users of accounting, various types of accounting, role of accounting, and lastly, accounting profession. Next, accounting and company activities. Firstly, companies as profit-seeking organizations have an obligation to interact with other parties related to the company. Secondly, these relationships must continue in the form of business communication according to the needs of each party. Thirdly, to communicate with all parties, a business language is needed that can be easily understood by all relevant parties. Fourthly, and this business language called accounting. What is accounting? Accounting is a system of information that identifies, records, and communicates economic events of organization to interested user. Next, the definition of accounting. Firstly, from the perspective of using accounting services, a discipline that provides the information needed to carry out activities efficiently and evaluate the activities of an entity. Secondly, the process of activities. The process of recording, classifying, summarizing, reporting, and analyzing data of an entity. Accounting and bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the activity of recording a company's business data in a certain way. Accounting primarily focuses on designing recording systems, preparing financial statements based on available data, and interpreting those statements. The main activities of accounting: identifying and measuring relevant data for decision making, processing data and then reporting the generated information, communicating information to users of the reports. The main goal of accounting: to present economic information of an economic entity to relevant stakeholders. The utility of accounting information. The use of accounting information in financial reporting is divided into two categories: external to the company and internal to the company. External to the company includes government, shareholders, prospective investors, suppliers, creditors, and others. Meanwhile, internal to the company includes production managers, financial managers, human resource managers, employees, directors, and others. Managers who plan, organize, and oversee a business include marketing manager, production supervisor, finance director, corporate officer. External users. There are several types of accounting information. 2. Investors use accounting information to make decisions to buy, hold, and sell their stocks. 3. Creditors use it to evaluate the risk of extending credit or loans. Next, accounting process. In this accounting process, we will 1. Identify or select economic events. 2. Record. Record, classify, and summarize. 3. Communicate. Prepare accounting reports. 4. Analyze and interpret reports for user. Financial accounting. Financial accounting is an accounting system in which the user of its information are external parties of a student organization, such as creditors, government, shareholders, investors, and so on. Managerial accounting. Managerial accounting is an accounting system in which the users of its information are internal parties of a company organization, such as production managers, financial managers, marketing managers, and so on. Managerial accounting serves as a tool for managerial decision making. Specialization in the field of accounting include cost accounting, financial accounting, auditing, tax accounting, accounting systems, budgetary accounting, international accounting, public sector accounting. Accounting roles in daily life are examples of home, community activities, stalls, restaurants, and so forth. The accounting role in any organization of a corporation or a business. The role of accounting in business. 1. Providing information for managers. 2. Providing information to stakeholders. 3. Stakeholders utilize the information for decision making. Accounting profession. Some kind of accounting profession. 1. Corporate accounting. 2. Public accounting. 3. Government accounting. 4. Educators. Corporate accountant is someone who is proficient in accounting and dedicates themselves to utilizing their expertise within a company or organization. Educational accounting. Educational accounting is the practice of accounting where accountants dedicate themselves to a specific institution tasked with preparing, guiding, and training students to become professional accountants. Company. Company is an organization established by one or more individuals or another entity whose activities involve production and distribution to fulfill human economic needs. Next, types of companies. 1. Service company. 2. Trading company. 3. Manufacturing company. Types of companies. 1. Individual or sole proprietorship. 2. Partnership is divided into 2. General partnership (FA) and commanditaire financier (CV). 3. Limited liability company (PT). Sole proprietorship. 1. A sole proprietorship is a company owned by one person. 2. Individuals can establish a sole proprietorship without specific permits or procedures. 3. Everyone is free to start a personal business without limitation to establish it. 4. Sole proprietorships typically have limited capital, a narrow range in quantity of production, few employees, and use simple technology in production. 5. Examples of sole proprietorships include neighborhood convenience stores, mobile food vendors, street vendors, and others. Partnership company. A partnership company is a business entity owned by two or more individuals who work together collectively to achieve the business objective included in the company. Partnership includes a general partnership (FA) and a limited partnership (commanditaire financier) or known as a CV. Establishing a partnership company requires special permits from the relevant government agencies. Firma. A firma is a form of business partnership consisting of two or more individuals with a joint name, where the responsibilities are equally shared and not limited for each owner. Commanditaire financier (CV). A CV is a form of business entity established and owned by two or more individuals to achieve common goals with varying degrees of involvement among its members. In a CV, one party actively manages the business involving personal matters during financial crisis, known as an active partner, while those who only contribute capital are referred to as silent partners. Limited liability company (PT). A limited liability company is a business organization with a formal legal entity owned by at least two individuals whose liability is limited to the company without involving personal assets or individuals within it. In a PT, the owners of the capital do not have to lead, as they can appoint someone outside the capital owners to be the leader. To establish a limited liability company, a certain minimum amount of capital and various other requirements are needed.